Hey there, welcome back to this very impromptu video. And I know my editor is going to yell at me for the lighting, but I just had to get this out. I didn't feel like going to my office and setting. You can see it's a different setting. Um, yeah, the Bitcoin EFT got approved today by the Securities Exchange Commission. It's big. It's big news because a lot more people who didn't really know or understand about Bitcoin, but maybe kind of like my platform, but know that like trading something, but they don't really know, but they feel it's something. There's so many doubters and even haters on Bitcoin. But the ones who want to get in on it now without like really getting into it, they can just pick up the phone and call their investment guy and go, give me some Bitcoin. And their broker, right? Their I call it my investment guy, but their broker can just like get them and hold on and buy and sell just like it's like Amazon stock or something on through Fidelity or whatever, whoever you use. It's pretty cool, but that means a lot more people will be purchasing Bitcoin. Now, the really cool thing about Bitcoin is so many things, is that there's a limited supply. There's is it 21? There's a $21 million cap. Like once it's bought up, you can't say, gee, I think I'd like to buy some Bitcoin because it will be owned by me or by Musk or by somebody. Like somebody will have it. So that makes it a rare thing, which is why the price is going to go like this. But now I'm a big Bloomberg watcher. So the people who are, Bloomberg was saying, I was telling a friend that like everyone's going to be buying it and all that's going to be much more popular. But with the popularity comes the volatility. That's a lot more people buying and selling random, it's your Fidelity guy. Uh most people aren't holders. Some are holders. I don't know what the percentage is, but I like to buy things and hold them and watch their value go like this. It might go like this and this, just like trading, but eventually, if it's something valuable. Like I'm the one who bought Facebook stock, Meta stock, Facebook stock a week after it went public. So I love that. I love that. And my investment guy at the time said, Ken, I'm gonna buy some Facebook. He's like, don't do it, don't do it. So now 12 years later, here I am sitting on Meta. Pretty nice. But so it's almost the same with Bitcoin. Like if you have the guts to watch it go up and down, man, you Google what its worth will be in 5 years. Maybe, or maybe not. But I'm going to take a risk on a chance on maybe. So again, with the popularity of it, Joe and his mother and the lady down the street like getting in on it will make it more popular. The supply will go down, the price will go up. But they're also like, get me out. And there's going to be a lot more people selling and buying. So I feel like the price is going to be going like this for a little while. So this just happened today. This is January 10th. It happened late today, late this afternoon. It got approval, along with some other cryptos that are in the works. What else did I want to say? We also, if you know crypto at all, I'm definitely not going to get into it, but in May is the next halving, which it cuts the supply produced. So we're getting closer to that 21 mil. It's something like 19 something mil is already in circulation. Me, Musk, everybody else who has a piece of it, it's already in circulation. Doesn't mean it's gone, unless you get a bunch of holders who aren't selling it. I mean, just this week I did pay a friend. Last week I paid a friend in Bitcoin. They did a service for me. I sent them some Bitcoin, peer-to-peer transfer. That's really what it's for. The bank isn't involved. No one else is getting a cut. Just me and my friend, doing business. So I want to talk about that. And it's a big deal. We've been waiting 10 years plus for Bitcoin's been around for 14-ish years, right? But 10 years waiting for it to be able to be more tradable in the market. How cool is that? Because otherwise you have to know something about it. And we teach that. I don't specifically teach that on my platform, but you can learn about it. And I trade Bitcoin and I own Bitcoin, and you want to keep it safe. You cannot keep it on Robinhood. You cannot keep it on Cash App. You cannot keep it on Coinbase. It's not really yours. It's just like, uh, I'm tired, so I can't think of an analogy, but it is not yours. Like, I'm renting this apartment. I have the keys. You can't get in. Well, the fireman can get in and the leasing owners can't get in, but everything in here is mine. You know, everything in here is mine, but it's not my place. I don't own this building. I'm about to own a building, but I don't own this building. So it's kind of like that. Like, you don't own that Bitcoin. It's just kind of sitting there. But there are ways to own it. You can put it in cold storage. You can have a cold wallet, which is what I have. I have like it looks like a little flash drive. It's called a ledger. And it only connects to my computer with all these 12 safe words, security words. Forget what they're called. Security keys. There we go. That's what they're called. So only I know them. And only I can get at my crypto. And I'm really happy right now. But anyway, I want to talk about that. If you're hearing it in the news, we can talk about it more. We can look at it, and I'm just looking at the price. I am I am thought I put on my do not disturb. I am good. So right now on this broker, it's 46,473. Where is it? Right here. I'm hoping it goes down a little bit more. I was gonna buy some. I have a target view of where I think that it's going to go down to. Hold on one second, because I do have it up. Where I see it going down to. Because I'm not currently trading it, but I'm watching the price. I'm gonna set an alarm on TradingView to beep and send me an email and send me a text when it gets to where I'm hoping that it dropped quite a bit, because you can see this wick. You can see this wick. That's 4 hours. Let me go to the day chart. Yeah. So you can see that it has substantially dropped from where it was an hour ago. In the past 45 minutes, it's gone all the way up here. Now it's coming back down. I would like it to drop somewhere in, what did I say this morning? Like 44,900, somewhere down here, somewhere where these wicks are. And then I would love to buy a little bit of it and then have it go up. This is my job. All right, guys, that's all I want to say. But big news, if you keep hearing that the Bitcoin ETF, Bitcoin spot ETF got approved today by the Securities Commission. Just means more people will have access to it and can trade it. Doesn't make it any less volatile. You know, really crazy things happen in the crypto world, so you just have to be careful. But I like to take those risks. So that's it. I will see you on the next video.